Welcome back. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Today, we are exploring out Mini Spot Cooler. In precision work, heat is the enemy. It ruins finishes, kills tools, and slows you down. Today, we're looking at the ultimate solution, the Streamtek Mini Spot Cooler. Stay tuned to see how this tool changes the game. How does it get so cold without a drop of refrigerant or a single moving part? It's the Vortex principle. Compressed air enters the tube and spins it up to 1,000,000 RPM. This separates the air into two streams: hot air, which is exhausted, and ice-cold air, which we direct right where you need it. Setup is as fast as it gets. The Mini Spot Cooler features a powerful magnetic base. Just stick it to any metal surface. Connect your clean, dry compressed air line to the 1/8 NPT inlet, and you're ready to go. No electrical wiring, no bulky coolant tanks. Operation is instant. Once the air is on, you get a sub-zero blast. Use the flexible hose to pinpoint the cold air directly onto your tool or part. You can adjust the temperature drop by simply changing the input pressure. It's consistent, dry cooling that won't leave a mess like liquid mist. Whether you're machining small parts, cooling needles in textiles, or setting adhesives in a lab, this little unit delivers big results in high heat, high-speed environments. Ditch the liquid mess and stop the heat. The Streamtek Mini Spot Cooler, small size, massive cooling. Check the link in the description to get yours today.